crossover frequency, all such things I have given. I think I have given that how to draw the Bode plot, and final answers I have been provided. So I will tell you how to calculate the phase margin and gain margin. So this is the plot. I think last class I told you how to plot it. Yes? All of you did? Bode plot? Please dear, open your mouth and say the answer. I told you no last class how to construct Bode plot.
So we were discussing the table values, how to get the table values.
No, after getting the table value, I told you how to draw the magnitude plot and phase angle plot.
Yes, sir.
Yes. And I told you that you can complete the plot before coming for this today class. Yes. Before this today class, I told you to complete and determine the gain margin and phase margin values. So the plot already I told you. I tell you how to determine that phase margin and gain margin. Okay. From this plot, you can see that where it is intersecting point of 0 dB. So this point we can call as 0 dB intersection point. You can extend this line and you can see that what is the frequency it should be. The same, you can extend it. It will intersect one point in the phase angle plot also. You have to draw dotted line. This is called as omega GC, gain crossover frequency. Correct dear? Where it is intersecting 0 dB for the magnitude plot. That point of frequency we can call as omega GC. Next, you can see that in the phase angle plot where it is intersecting minus 180 degree. What is that frequency? What is that frequency which is intersecting at minus 180 degree phase angle? Forget about that, all this thing. Hello my dear. Arshit, all are sleeping. Why? You are not opening your mouth. Sisir, Siddharth, Prarthana, Gunal, Arjun, Deepika, Ishita, Mohit, Srihari. People are present or not? Why you are not at all opening your mouth? What happened here? So after long back you are coming back to the class. So you are sleeping. You are not in a mood to attend the session. What dear? You are not at all opening your mouth, whatever I am asking. You are listening or not?
So you're listening.
Okay. So you can see here it is intersection point where it is minus 180 degree. What is that frequency dear? Arshit? 180 degree
6.3
minus.
meters per second.
No. What is the name of such frequency? The
Phase
intersection
crossover
point of
frequency.
phase crossover frequency. You can extend that line. Okay. You can extend that line. You can see that where it is intersecting. So that point of frequency we can call as omega PC. So the intersection point of 0 dB in the magnitude plot, that frequency is called as omega GC. So omega GC is 2 radians per second. Okay, omega GC is 2 radians per second. Omega PC is 6.2 radians per second. Okay, I have written approximate. You can check in your plot what you are getting. So now you can see that if you are extending gain crossover frequency, it will intersect one point in the phase angle. You can extend that line and you can see that where it is intersecting, that value of pi gc. Okay, so here approximately it is minus 142 degree. Okay, this is 142 degree. This is called as pi gc. Okay, and the same you can extend that omega PC. It will intersect one point in the magnitude plot. So approximately it may come for, here it is minus 20 dB. Okay, it is intersection point is minus 20 dB. That is called as magnitude of omega PC. So phase crossover frequency where it is intersecting in the magnitude. Now we can going to determine what is the gain margin and phase margin. What is the equation for gain margin? 0 minus magnitude of omega PC. Tell me now, what is magnitude of omega PC? Please be interact dear. 0 minus of what is magnitude of omega PC?
6.2.
Magnitude is here minus 20 dB. Okay, so 0 minus of minus 20 we can get plus 20 dB. Gain margin will be 20 dB. What about phase margin? What is the equation for phase margin? 180 plus pi gc. What is pi gc? Gain crossover frequency where it is intersect in the phase angle. That phase angle is pi gc. What is pi gc? I have written here. Pi gc is equal to minus 142. So what is the answer? 180 plus pi gc. So pi gc value is minus 142. 180 minus 142. How much? 50. It should be 38 degree. Are you able to follow? Any doubt in this, dear? So what is the gain crossover frequency? Yes, dear.
So like based on the equation you put it, shouldn't the gain margin be minus 20 dB?
Gain margin. Okay, dear. Gain margin, the equation will be 0 minus magnitude. M I have written. Magnitude of omega PC, dear. What is magnitude of omega PC? I think you are considering this thing. Okay, 1 minute. I will rewrite it. So consider gain margin is equal to 0 dB minus magnitude of omega PC. I think here you are consider this thing. That's why you are getting confusion. Okay. What is magnitude of omega PC? What is the magnitude of omega PC?
20 dB.
Plus 20 or minus 20? Plus 20 or minus 20? That minus 20 you can substitute 0 minus of minus 20 dB. What is the answer then?
Plus 20 dB.
Plus 20 dB, dear. That's all. Is it clear, Arshit?
Yes, like the symbol created a bit of confusion.
Yeah, that's what I have already written here. M. So you are having doubt in that. Suppose if you are put it that magnitude symbol, it may come into plus. That's why you are thinking, correct? It's not plus. Actually, here whatever you are getting, plus or minus, you can substitute. 0 minus of omega PC, magnitude of omega PC, plus 20 or minus 20, whatever you are getting. Okay, here we have that minus 20. You can substitute, you will get the answer. It should be it may come for minus of minus 20. Your doubt is clear, dear, now?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now the system stability. Tell me what is the system stability? Stable or unstable system or marginally stable system?
Stable.
How you are saying stable?
Omega GC less than omega PC.
Very good, dear. Very good, Sisir. That's what I am expecting from everyone. Please be interact. If you are interacting only, I may give you lot of information. If you won't interact, then I will take it one or two problem, then I will move on to the next topic. How much interest you are showing, that much I will give you that input. Please be interact. Okay. Very good, Sisir. So omega GC should be less than that of omega PC. So the system is stable system. As well as gain margin, phase margin values are positive. So the system is stable system. Any doubt in that? Any doubt in this problem? Arey, open your mouth and say the answer.
No doubt, sir.
Others? Whatever I am asking, you people are always looking idle. I don't know why. So this is the solution given by the book. Okay. In the book, they have omega GC is 2.1 radians, omega PC is 6.35 radians per second, gain margin is 21 dB, phase margin is 38 degree. We have approximately the same answer. Okay. But in the book, they followed slope method. Directly they constructed magnitude plot, but we have determined the magnitude by using our method. Okay. We are calculating the magnitude value, then we are plotted the magnitude plot. Okay, next problem. Write down this problem. Plot the Bode diagram for the following transfer function. Obtain the gain and phase crossover frequencies. Obtain gain and phase crossover frequency. You can tell me the answers for this problem. What are the steps I want to follow? You tell me. Ishita, you tell me the first step. Ishita, are you there?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, tell me first.
So first we can replace S with J omega.
S is equal to J omega. Okay, first step. First,
Yes,
you can going to check whether it is in time constant form or not. If it is
Yes,
not
sir.
in time constant, convert into time constant. But in the problem already there in
Time constant, sir.
time constant. Substitute S is equal to J omega. Next, what we want to do?
So we can determine the corner frequencies.
What are the corner frequencies?
So 1 divided by 0.4 and 1 divided by 0.1.
Okay, you can see that the corner frequency except pole or 0 lying in the horizon. So there are 3 poles here. So one pole lying in the horizon. So you can think about that rest of the other 2 pole. So one pole located at t is equal to 0.4, another pole t is equal to 0.1. Find its corner frequency. Corner frequencies are omega equal to 2.5, omega equal to 10. If it is not in ascending order, you can make it in ascending order. Okay, make it in ascending order. So what are the frequencies we have?
Sir, 2.5 and 10.
Okay, dear. 1 minute. I will make it one new slide. Yeah, tell me now. So T1 is equal to 0.4 and T2 is equal to 0.1. So what is the corner frequency we will get? Omega 1 is 2.5, 1 by 0.4. Omega 2 is equal to 1 divided by 0.1 is 10 radians. Already there in ascending order. If not, you can make it in ascending order, or else you can put it omega P1 This is omega P2, pole 1, pole 2. Next, you can see any other corner frequency. Only 2 poles. Next, what we can going to do?
So we'll determine the lower frequency.
What is the lower frequency, dear?
So we'll consider it to be 0.1.
0.1. What about highest frequency?
So it should be less than 10 times 10.
Tell me any.
50, sir.
50. Okay. Omega equal to omega h is equal to 50. What is the next step?
So we'll determine the slope at each amplitude point.
Tell me the slope here.
So
What is the slope? Approximate slope. Which is coming first in the transfer function? Pole or zero?
so pole, sir.
Which pole?
So 2.5 radians.
See the transfer function and tell me, dear.
So 0.4. 0, 0, 0.
One pole lying in the horizon, that will be the first. Pole or zero lying in the horizon, always that will come first. So that it can contribute minus 20 dB per decade slope. Next, omega equal to 2.5 radians per second. That concern time will be t is equal to 0.4. That is for pole. Again, it is contributing.
Minus 20.
What is the slope?
20
Minus
dB.
20. So what is the change in the slope?
Minus 40 will become.
Minus 40.
Minus 40. Minus 20 plus of minus 20 minus 40. Next. Next.
10 will consider.
10. Omega equal to 10. Omega equal to 10 means it is polar 0. Again you can see omega P2. That t is equal to 0.1 s. Okay. T is equal to 0.1. That corner frequency will be 10. So omega equal to 2.5 corner frequency. T is equal to 0.4. Omega equal to P2 corner frequency is 10. T is equal to 0.1. That is also a pole. That can contribute.
So minus 20.
Minus
dB.
20 dB.
Minus 20. What is the change in the slope then?
Minus
So
60.
minus 60.
Minus 40 plus minus 20, we will get minus 60 dB per decade slope. Tell me that magnitude values. A0, A1, A2 and A3. Tell me, dear, what is A0? How to determine A0? Please be fast.
So 20 log k by j omega.
20 log k by j omega. What is k?
So 2.5.
K is 2.5.
Is it 10?
10.
Transfer function it is given. Why you are saying 2.5? I don't know.
10, sir.
So here k is 10.
10.
10 divided by omega CL. What is omega CL? That is 0.1. That omega CL is nothing but this pole. Okay. K divided by j omega. That S. K by S. S is equal to omega CL. You can substitute. You will get one answer. Next, what is A1? What is A0 then? 20 log of 10 divided by 0.1. What is answer?
Plus 40 dB.
40 dB. So next what we have to do? How to determine A1?
A0 minus 20 log omega P1 by omega.
A0 minus 20 log of, very good dear,
20.
omega,
P1 by A0.
okay, omega P1 divided by omega CL. That is 0.1, correct? Omega P1 divided by omega CL. I told you can mark it corner frequencies. So here it should be omega CL. Here it should be omega P1. Here it should be omega P2. Here it should be omega H. Okay, here it should be omega H. So what is the answer? A0 minus 20 log of 2.5 divided by 0.1.
12.
How much, dear?
12 dB.
Is it correct?
Yes, sir. 12.04.
So 12.05. Okay, 12 dB. Minus 12 or plus 12?
So plus 12, sir.
Okay. What is A2? How to find A2? Hurry up, hurry up.
Sir, A1 minus 40 log of omega P2 by
A1. 40 log of minus 40 log of
omega P2 by omega C.
omega P2 divided by omega P1. 10 divided by 2.5. What is the answer?
Minus
So
20.
minus 12 dB, huh? Is it correct? You check the answers. What is A3? What is A3?
A2 minus 60 log of 100 by 10.
50 only taken, no? Why you are saying 100? 50 divided by the previous Carnot frequency is 10. Omega h we have chosen 50. What is the answer? $60 log of 50 by 10. A2 minus 60 log of 50 divided by 10. Tell me the answer fast.
Minus 54.6.
Minus 54.6 dB. Okay, dear. Any doubt? Any doubt to determine that magnitude, corner frequencies, approximate slope, and how to choose that frequencies for the concerned magnitude? Any doubt? All of you are clear? Hello, my dear. Open your mouth, please.
Yes, sir. Clear, sir.
Okay. So what is that phase angle value? Tell me. Phase angle. Pi is equal to tell me the phase angle. Always Sisir and Harshit saying the answer. Abhinav, Gunal, Deeparanjan, Siddharth. Srirag, say the answer. Surya, Vyas, Syed, Venkatesh, Saumya Suresh, Usha. Expecting answers from your side. Please be interact. What is the phase angle? Sisir?
Minus 90 degrees.
So one pole lying in the horizon, it should be minus 90. Very good, dear. Next. Substitute
Minus
S is equal to j omega and minus tan inverse of 0.4 omega. Very good, dear. Imaginary part divided by real part. Imaginary part is 0.4 here, 0.4 omega. Real part is 1. So you have to write it tan inverse of 0.4 by 1. And same thing next term, what will be that answers? Denominator. So denominator means minus. So tan inverse of imaginary part divided by real part. So imaginary part is 0.1 omega divided by real part will be 1. That's all. Now you can substitute different value of omega and determine what is the phase angle. What is the minimum phase angle here? Substitute omega equal to 0. What is the phase angle? What is the phase angle pi? And omega equal to infinity, what is the maximum phase angle?
minus 90 and minus 270.
Minus 90 and minus 270.
90 and minus
Minus 270. Very good, dear. That's all. You have to open your mouth, then only you will get more confident, dear. Okay. So you may do it hereafter. The same procedure, same thing. See the answers. So this is my handwritten material I have included here. You can check it. Okay. Any doubt in this? So you may determine the phase angle. Okay, phase angle. You can write it already. Here I have attached. Okay. So here it is, intersection point will be there at minus 180 degree. So that is called as omega GC. You may do it hereafter. You have confidence to do this. Can you determine phase angle? Sorry, can you determine that omega PC, omega GC, gain margin, phase margin? Why no one is opening your mouth? All of you must say that yes or no. If you are not understanding, tell me, I am ready to take once again.
We can find it out, sir.
You can do that?
Yes, sir.
Siddharth is saying yes. Sisir, Rishita, Govinda Lahari, Gunal, Abhinav, Harsh,
Yes, sir.
Rajat, Ritika, Nitin, Raja. You people have confidence to do this? I'm asking for all 65, not for only those people. Okay.
So while plotting, so like here you have considered, I think, like 5 to 6 points. So like, is there a limitation, or we can just choose as per our convenience?
No, what I am saying is, if you are taking you are doing some laboratory experiment, okay dear Arshit, you are taking laboratory experiment, or you are doing laboratory experiment, suppose you want to plot it for diode characteristics, voltage versus current. Suppose you are not taking the nearby the values, how will be the plot you are look like? You are going to take that, suppose you are taking instead of 0.1, 0.2, you are taking that one reading you are taking 0.1, another reading you are taking 0.5, another reading you are taking 1. Instead of taking close reading, you are taking some deviations like 0.4 interval or 0.8 interval. What will be happen? You are going to take the scaling factors should be very high, correct? If you are taking scaling factor is somewhat far away, what happened? You won't get that proper smooth curve. Exactly, if you want to determine that what is that break, that means diode breaking point, how you can going to determine? Suppose 0.75, if it is exactly occurs, you may not be exactly get 0.75, you are getting that 0.7 or 0.8 in that range. You are not getting that exact point. Are you understanding, Arshit?
So like if our curve is not smooth, our omega PC and omega GC values can be different.
Some slight variations you may get. According to the value of scaling factor, how you are chosen, that value it may be differ. Slightly it may be differ. That's what I am saying. So here in this plot, you know that I have already told you that. So the starting point and ending point of the phase angle, I told you that omega equal to 0, it should be minus 90 degree. Omega equal to infinity, it is minus 270 degree. So you have to take the value which is exactly come nearby the point of minus 180 degree. So such a way you can going to take it for the values of phase angle. It need not be necessary that you must be choose that 0.1, 0.2. You have to take 0.1, 0.51 and take it one interval, take it two interval. Any interval you can take, that's not an issue. Like I told you in the example, I told you for the example laboratory experiment. If you are doing, suppose exactly you want to determine that in the curve. I am saying in the curve, in the plot. If you want to determine where it is happening for the firing point, exactly you may not be determined if you are taking the longer interval. If you are taking shorter interval, then you may get exact point. That is the only difference. Nothing going to be wrong in that. Okay, dear. Arshit.
Yes, sir, clear.
Okay. So you may do that rest of the steps. Please, dear, be interact. I told you lot of variety of problems will be there. If you are cooperating only, I may take. You people are not at all interacting. I don't know why. Taken longer time duration. That means you are taken that leave in between. That's why you are not cooperating. So in between you have that leave, you are now fresh mind. You may have lot of interaction in the class, but you are opposite now. I don't know why. So before this, before the leave, you were interacted a lot, but now you are not at all interacting. Why? What happened? Ishita, Deepika, Rishad,
Yes.
Mohit, you people can do that. You have confidence.
Yes, sir. We'll do it, sir.
Others, you can say yes or no.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Before coming on to the next class, all of you must complete this problem and come. Don't say any other reason. Okay. Okay. Next. So determine that phase margin and gain margin values. Write down this problem. We have a lot of variety of problems here. I want to give all the inputs, then only you may able to answer for any type of problems when you go for objective type questions or when you go for any competitive exams. Okay, or when you go for gate exams and all, you must know all type of problem. I may say that one or two problems I may complete it, but my point is not like that. You have to gain the knowledge. That is the only thing. That's what I am going to take it more consideration about this topic. Please concentrate, see the importance of the topic, write down this problem, sketch the Bode plot for the transfer function g of s is equal to k into s square divided by 1 plus 0.2s into 1 plus 0.02s. Determine the value of k for the gain crossover frequency to be 5 radians per second. So this problem is entirely different. You can compare to the previous problem and this problem. What is given in the previous problem?
In the previous problem, k was given. Here we have to calculate k.
Very good, dear. Here we no need to. Here we can going to determine what is the value of k when gain crossover frequency to be 5 radians per second. Gain crossover frequency to be 5 radians per second. Nothing going to be much difference. It is same. Only small changes here. The plot, all these things, it should be same. So here you can consider that here we don't know the value of k. Okay, here we don't know the value of k. Assume the value of k is equal to 1 and proceed entire problem. Same like as previous problem. Same like previous problem. Tell me now what we have to do. Convert this transfer function into time constant form. It is in time constant form or non-time constant form?
So it is in time constant form.
Time constant form. Take it as such. So we have that k into s square divided by 1 plus 0.2s into 1 plus 0.02s. So find its corner frequencies. Except pole or 0 lying in the horizon, rest of the other pole and 0, you can determine what is the corner frequencies. What are the poles and zeros are exist here in this transfer function? There are
So two poles and two zeros.
2 poles and 2 zeros. Very good, dear. But 2 poles are lying in the horizon. sorry, 2 zeros are lying in the horizon. So except pole 0 lying in the horizon, rest of the poles and zeros, you can determine what is the corner frequencies. What is the corner frequency? What is omega 1?
5 and 50.
So one pole located at T1 is equal to 0.2. T2 is equal to 0.02. Except pole or 0 lying in the horizon, rest of the other poles and zeros you may consider for determining the corner frequency. So this 0 will be lying in the horizon. Rest of the 2 poles you can determine what is the corner frequency. So omega 1 we have that 5 radians per second. Omega 2, what is that frequency? It is 50 radians per second. Correct, dear?
Yes, sir.
So next what we have to do? Already it is there in ascending order. Yes, dear. Sisir.
Sir, omega L and omega H.
Omega L and omega H. What is omega L?
The 0.1.
0.1 radians per second. Next to omega H.
So 100 radians per second.
100 radians per second. Okay, dear. Next, what we have to do?
So we'll find the amplitude points.
Okay. Tell me the slope. So we have the transfer function is like this. 1 minute. Tell me the slope. What are the corner frequency we have chosen? Omega CL is 0.1. Omega 1 equal to 5. Omega 2 is equal to 50. Omega H is equal to 100. Tell me the slope now. Arshit, Sisir, Priyanka.
Sir, origin plus 40.
Okay. 2 poles, 2 zeros are located in the origin. So 1 0 it can contribute plus 20 dB per decade. 2 zeros are lying in the origin, it will contribute plus 40 dB per decade. Very good, dear. Next, what we have to do?
Sir, 2 poles, so it will also contribute minus 20, minus 20.
Minus 20. One pole located at T is equal to 0.2. The corner frequency is 5. Next corner frequency. After the 0 location, immediately we have the corner frequency omega 1 is equal to 5. So this omega 1 is called as P1. So that location is T1. Okay, T1 is 0.2. It can contribute minus 20 dB per decade slope. What is the slope change then?
So
20.
Plus 20 dB per decade slope. Correct? Plus 40 dB minus that means 40 dB minus the slope is 20 dB slope. So 40 dB minus 20 dB slope, we will get again plus 20 dB per decade slope. Are you understanding this? So 40 dB slope, the slope change in the slope again minus 20 dB. So minus 20 dB. So we'll get 20 dB slope. Next, what we have to do?
Sir, again minus 20 dB.
Minus
Again, T is equal to 0.02. The corner frequency will be omega 2, that is 50 radians per second. It can contribute minus 20 dB. So what is the slope?
0 dB per decade.
The slope will be offset. It is 0 dB. Plus 20 dB minus 20 dB. So it should be 20 dB. So again this pole it can contribute minus 20 dB. Plus 20 dB minus 20 dB. So the slope will be 0 dB. Any doubt here? So here you can see that we have that three poles and zeros. So 2 poles lying in the horizon, that we have considered that only 1 0. So that it can contribute, that means it can contribute the slope of plus 40 dB. So one pole located at T1 is equal to 0.2, it will contribute minus 20 dB. So plus 40 minus 20, we will get plus 20 dB. Again, one more pole, t is equal to 0.02. The corner frequency is 50 radians per second. It can contribute minus 20 dB. Already the slope was plus 20 dB. Plus 20 minus 20, the slope will be 0 dB. So this is A0. This is A1. This is A2. This is A3. Tell me, dear, how to determine A0? Tell me the answers first. We can complete this problem.
So what is the K value in this?
K equal to 1, dear. That's all. I told you, no. Suppose the K value is not given, you can assume that K is equal to 1 and proceed entire problem. So how to determine A0 now?
20 log 1 by 0.1.
20 log
1 by 0.1.
Why 1 by 0.1?
So K by omega.
What, dear?
So K
Siddharth,
by
Siddharth, listen, Siddharth, please. In the previous problem, we have S into K into S into 1 plus some value and into 1 plus some value was there. So there we have that 0 pole lying in the horizon. That's what we have written, that 20 log of K by J omega. But here it is K into S square.
40 log of j omega.
So you can directly write 20 log of K into S square. S square is S square, you can write, or J omega square. So what it may come? So it may come for 40 log of K into omega. Okay, dear. 40 log of K into omega or K into omega CL. K value you can assume 1. So 40 log of, what is K omega CL? 0.1. Are you understand, Siddharth? All the problem, it won't come like that, dear. You can see the transfer function. That's what I am saying from beginning to end. In the previous problem also I told you. Previous to previous problem also I told you. Siddharth, are you understand now?
Yes, sir.
So 40 log of 0.1. What is 40 log of 0.1?
minus 40 dB.
Minus 40 dB. Next, how to determine A1? Siddharth?
Sir, A0 minus 20 log of omega P1 by omega L.
Array, dear. What, man? You are sleeping. A0 we already determined using this equation. A1 how to determine? What is the slope here, dear?
Sir, A0 minus 20 log of omega P1 by omega CL.
Again you are sleeping, dear. Here you can see what is the slope.
So 40 log of.
Then why you are saying 20? A0 minus 40 log of
So 5 by 0.1.
5 divided by 0.1. Next, what is A2? What is A2? That's what I am
A1
saying.
minus
Whenever you
A1
can
minus A1 minus 20 log of.
A1 minus 20 log of minus R. Is it minus? What is the change in the slope here, dear?
Sir, A1 plus 20 log of.
All are here also it should be plus. It is not minus. The change in the slope here you can see, dear, in the slope plus or minus. The same thing only you can write. Okay, same thing only you can write here. You should not be write it minus blankly. In the previous problem here we have minus 20. That's why we are written that a naught minus 20 log. Here it is 40 plus 40. A naught plus 40 log. So next a2. What is a2? A1 plus 20 log of 20 log of Siddharth.
So 20 log of 50 by
50 by
0.1.
5.
50 divided
50
by
by
5.
5.
Very good, dear. What about a3? What about a3?
So A2 plus 20
a2
log of
plus again 20 log of are you sleeping? I told you you have to see the slope. Here it is 0 dB. How it is 20 dB, dear?
so 0 log of 0 A2. It's only A2.
0
Only
log of, so change in the slope will be a3 magnitude frequency. A3 frequency will be 100 divided by a2 frequency will be 50. Please listen, dear. That's what I am saying. Every time you have to concentrate. You forget about all this thing. Last problem clearly you told. You should not be fixed the mindset. Whatever we have solved in the previous problem, according to the transfer function, it may be changed. Okay. So what is a1? A naught plus 40 log of 5 by 0.1. What is the answer? Please tell fast. Calculate the answers fast. Everyone is having calculator, but you won't interact.
minus 1 plus 1960.
What, dear? Plus 19601.
27.9.
So 27.95.
So approximately it is 28 dB. Next.
So 47.95.
So it is again 48 dB approximately. Next, A3. A3 is equal to A2. So again it may come for 48 dB because here it is 0. So A2 value is 48. 48 plus 0, we will get 48 dB. Any doubt in this? All of you are following. Please concentrate, dear. So next, how to determine phase angle? Tell me first, you will complete. Siddharth, you tell me the phase angle. Which is the first pole or 0? Which one will come first? Siddharth, are you there?
Yes, sir. So 0 will come first since 2
0
zeros
will
are
come first. How many zeros are there?
So 2 zeros at origin.
So what is the phase angle?
So plus 180.
Plus 180. Directly you can write plus 180 degree. Next, substitute S is equal to j omega. So already there
So
in time constant.
minus tan inverse 0.2 omega minus tan inverse 0.02 omega.
Very good, dear. Tan inverse 0.2 omega minus tan inverse of 0.02 omega. Here what is the minimum phase angle and maximum phase angle? Omega equal to 0 and omega equal to infinity. Omega equal to 0, what is the phase angle?
So 180 degree.
Omega equal to infinity?
0.
0 degree. Okay. So you will get the phase angle changes from 180 degree to 0 degree. Okay. 180 to 0 degree. You can determine the phase angle value, construct the Bode plot. Please construct both the problem, previous problem and this problem. Okay. Construct it and come. Then only you can understand how to determine the value of K from this plot. Okay, dear. Please, again and again I am saying that you may practice it. Practice is very important. Okay, dear. All of you must do it and come. Say yes, all of you.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
So
sir.
can you please upload the
Yes, sir.
PPT?
Okay, I will upload. Okay, dear. Please, all of you do it and come back on the next class. Okay. All of you must do it and come. Okay. Thank you.
Yes, sir.
Have a nice day. Yes, dear.
So
Yes.
when will be the quiz?
I will tell you in the next class.
Okay.
Tomorrow you remind me, I will tell you. Means that next class I will tell you. You just remind me. Okay, dear?
Yes.
Okay. Or else you can tell me the date when will be the suitable date. We will fix it. So up to Bode plot. Okay, dear? Syllabus portion up to Bode plot. From beginning to Bode plot. Okay? I think that will be good. Yes.
Sir, when will you take review 2?
Review 2 will be next week. Wednesday.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Thank you,
Okay.
sir.
Coming Wednesday, I will take the review. Second review.
Okay, sir.
Okay. And regarding the quiz, the syllabus portion from beginning to Bode plot, up to Bode plot. Okay. I think that will be comfortable. If I am choosing after CAT 1, it is somewhat difficult for you. Instead, I want to take it entire syllabus portion up to Bode plot. So you can tell me the date. When will be comfortable? So most probably I will conduct May after 20th. Okay. So you will be ready with that. Okay. Within the 20th to 31st, I may conduct any one day. Okay, dear. I will finalize and tell you in the next class the date.
Sir, is it MCQ?
MCQ only, dear.
Okay, sir.
Okay. I will tell you the date and time later. The time, the date will be after 20th and before 31st. Okay. Comfortable? I will choose the date later and tell you. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day. Take care of your health. Don't go outside. Stay home itself. Okay, dear. Thank you. Stay home. Stay safe.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, dear.
Thank you,
Thank
sir.
you all. Thank you, dear.